On today's podcast, we'll be talking about minimizing severity, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
The severity of potential injuries can profoundly impact both employees and operations. Recognizing and addressing these risks enhances workers' safety and ensures a smoother, more efficient workflow. Here are 5 tips to mitigate serious injury risks in these workplaces. Number 1, prioritize comprehensive training. Regular and thorough training sessions are crucial. This includes proper machine handling, understanding safety protocols, and awareness of potential hazards. Emphasize the importance of safety gear and ensure that all employees are up to date with the latest safety standards. Equipping your team with knowledge drastically reduces the risk of severe injuries. Number 2, implement strict safety policies. Develop and enforce stringent safety guidelines tailored to the specific risks of your facility. This includes mandatory use of personal protective equipment, or PPE, clear signage indicating hazardous areas, and strict adherence to operational procedures. Regular safety audits can help identify and rectify potential hazards, ensuring a safer working environment. Number 3, invest in quality equipment and maintenance. High-quality, well-maintained equipment is less likely to malfunction, reducing the risk of accidents. Regular checks and maintenance of machinery, tools, and safety gear are essential. Investing in ergonomic equipment can also prevent strain injuries, a familiar yet severe issue in factory settings. Number 4, foster a safety-first culture. Create a workplace culture where safety is paramount. Encourage employees to speak up about potential hazards and stop work if they feel unsafe. Recognition programs for safe behavior can motivate employees to adhere to safety protocols. And last but not least, number 5, emergency preparedness and response training. Ensure that all staff are trained in emergency response procedures. This includes first aid training, emergency exit knowledge, and the proper use of fire extinguishers. A well-prepared team can effectively manage accidents, reducing the severity of injuries. As we always caution, these tips aren't the only things that you can do to minimize severity. Please be sure to adhere to the guidelines of your specific facility. The severity of injuries in factories and warehouses can be greatly reduced with the proactive measures listed above. These 5 steps create a safer, more efficient, and resilient workplace. Remember, safety is not just a protocol, but a commitment to the well-being of every individual in your facility. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and together we can make our industrial environments safer for everyone. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.